Paano po mag-file ng quarterly ITR? Cumulative? The answer is yes, correct. Cumulative po ang pagpa-file natin ng ITR. Meaning, kung anong quarter ang fina-file natin, laging ina-add natin from the January, kung registered ka na ng January, or for example, second quarter ka nag-register. Ang ipa-file mo sa third quarter, second quarter plus third quarter. Yun yung total income. Pero binabawas din naman yung mga previously filed tax payment. So, in effect, kung anong quarter lang din naman, yun lang talaga yung binabayaran mo. Kasi pag cumulative siya, total mo, ayun yung sinabi ko, pag second quarter ka nag-register, second quarter plus third quarter income, yun ang ipafile mo sa third quarter quarterly ITR mo. What if naman kung since January 2023 registered ka na? So yung third quarter, di ba, month of July, August, and September. Pero ang ipafile mo sa total income ng third quarter is income from January to September. Yun ang ire-report mong income, pero ibabawas mo din yung binayaran mo na kung may binayaran kang tax ng first quarter at second quarter. Ganun siya. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.